Guys, welcome to today's video. So I know I've been doing a lot of Morphe lately, and spoiler alert, this video today is a Morphe eyeshadow palette review because Morphe, since we've been on quarantine, they've been dropping eyeshadow palettes like that. I'll list all of the new ones below and the price points, but today we're going to review the latest palette. So this is the 35C Everyday Chic palette, and it is the brand new in box. So if you don't follow Trend Mood and you're super into makeup, Trend Mood usually announces what's coming before, and Trend Mood usually has an affiliate code with everybody. I will put Trend Mood's Instagram tag on the screen, so if you're interested in that. Anyways, behind the 35C, how I found out about this. I was done buying makeup. You guys know Morphe is one of my favorite brands, and I was on Trend Mood because I stay up all night because I usually can't sleep. It takes me forever to fall asleep. And I was scrolling on Instagram and it was like, brand new, just launched at Ulta. And I was like, oh, that's pretty. So I went ahead and I bought it right then and there. It was weird though because usually they don't launch at Ulta first, and this one did. So let's open her up before we get started. So, super sleek. I think it's cool that it has this instead of just Morphe. I think Morphe's kind of rebranding. Well, I know that Morphe's rebranding. So I think it's pretty cool that they're kind of just like switching everything up nowadays. This is super lightweight. And as always, it has the names, and then it has these colors. Holy moly. Holy moly donut shop. Those are so pretty. I saw these and I was like, I have to get it. Like, I just can't hold back on it. So this is like a palette for if you want everyday glam. Normally before I start recording a video, I'm like, ooh, what can I find? What looks can I find on YouTube, Google, Instagram, Pinterest, all of that. And that's where I find a lot of my, spoiler alert, that's Pinterest is where I find a lot of my goals for my makeup challenges that I'm going to start doing. But I haven't even seen anything on this. So I'm thinking pinkish, a light pinkish color. Alright, let's go ahead and start with our eyes. If you are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Annie. I like to play with makeup. I am currently teaching myself how to play with makeup. So, it's not perfect. If you're looking for somebody perfect, I ain't is this. If you are not new and you are back, hi, how are you? If you are here and you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Don't miss a video. I am here Tuesdays and Thursdays. My eyes today, using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. So, I actually recorded a video, a ColourPop video, where I was doing a battle of the eyeshadows, and it didn't go well. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I have videos where I have to delete them because they just don't edit out well. Well, this video didn't. This was my first time using the eyeshadow primer, and it's white, and I've never used anything like this. Like, everything I've used has been translucent. So, it was a brand new game for me, so I deleted it. Might recreate it in the future. Anyways, what I was going to say is that I used way too much eye primer. It was bad. But a little bit goes a long way. I've heard really good things about this eyeshadow primer, and I'm hoping that with this eyeshadow primer, I can make more poppin' looks. Because I had it all the way up to my eyebrow. It was bad. That was just a bad night in general. Some personal things were going on. Not with me, with someone super close to me, and it was rough. Ooh, what I came across on Amazon is I was watching makeup tutorials on TikTok. Follow me on there if you haven't yet. I saw someone use the e.l.f. tape to like do the liner out. Not the liner, but the shadow out. So I was like, okay, what can I find on Amazon that like I can't find in Ulta or Sephora? That I can use in my everyday makeup routine. Well, I have heard, like, the YouTubers that I watch, I have heard them rave about velvet sponges, and I found some. So this is JUNOANDCO microfiber sponge. I got a 4-pack of them. There's, like, this shape, and then, like, the flatter shape, like the Morphe Highlight Contour sponge. And they were $14, which isn't bad for 4 sponges. Beauty blenders are $20 a piece. Morphe sponges are $8. So, and it says if you're looking for a more natural airbrush foundation finish, the Juno microfiber velvet sponge is your go-to. Made with the velvet soft microfiber bristles and a slanted edge for controlled stippling, the Juno microfiber velvet sponge provides buildable coverage fast. Then you can put it back in. So that is what the sponge looks like. Sorry. I really like that flat edge, so it would be good for that. I don't think I'm going to use this today because I'm not doing my face on camera, but I will wait until I do my face on camera to use this with you guys. Let's jump in. You know what? I really think I'm going to keep it like super simple and just do like 2 colors maybe. I'm going to go in with Playtime, which is the shade right here. It's like that periwinkle shade. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS6. I'm going to apply it Playtime all in my crease. So I want to talk about this too, right? Because this is going to be a short video. I bought this. This is an iHome vanity mirror from Ulta. I'll drop the link. Well, it's not really a link. I had points at Ulta, so I was like, I'm just going to use it. And I wanted a new mirror because that mirror is like dirty and old and it doesn't get very bright. I thought this was a lot freaking bigger. But I could hold it and so I can be still in camera. So that is the good thing about this. I always feel like I have to do like these great big looks, and I really don't. So I'm just going to keep it super, super duper simple today. That color's not that bad. I'll go over to the other eye. I don't want the Rona don't want me. I don't want the Rona don't want me. So purple used to be like my favorite color. Not this purple, like a dark, deep purple. And then I kind of started like moving closer to like royal blue. And now, I mean, I still like all those colors. Like I still love purple. I still love blue. Like I really loved the royal blue. But now I'm like super into gray. Because you can just do everything with gray. Let's take a flat brush. I'm going to go in with this Morphe M224 brush. It's a nice big flat brush. And I'm going to go in with the shade Fancy This, which is this shade right here. But here's the thing, is that usually I'm like playing with eyeshadow palettes and everything. I'm like touching them before I record, but I haven't touched these at all. So I'm going to start to put this on my lid, and if I need to spray it with my Morphe setting spray, I will. Maybe not. That looks like super pretty actually. The only thing that I don't like about Morphe shimmers is, and I haven't really noticed it with anybody else's shimmers, which I could be wrong, but you have to just like drag your brush through it. Which, don't get me wrong, I could be like completely wrong, but that's the only one that I've really noticed. Okay, so I'm going to take this brush again, the brush that I used in Playtime, and I'm going to go back into Playtime because when you apply a shadow over the shadow you just kind of laid, even though I didn't apply it on, I blended them, it kind of sometimes gets not as pigmented or not showing up like you want it to. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Morphe M421 brush. This is a little tiny flat brush, and I'm going to go in with this first shimmer shade. Let's see what the Cheers to You. And again, I don't know what it is, so I'm going to put that in the corner of my eye. Ooh, I don't really like that. It just seems a little bit chalky in my opinion. I feel like when you're like doing a review, like I know like when I watch like Tati do her reviews, like the queen of YouTube makeup reviews. She always gets a lot of hate because she doesn't like certain stuff. And I think, in my opinion of Tati, that she has a very expensive makeup taste, which, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with that, but I just feel like her audience can't really relate. This is the finished eye. I am going to do the rest of my makeup off of camera, and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. I have finished my whole face. I'm loving this. I'm using the Jaclyn Cosmetics pink highlighter in the shade Turned On my cheeks, and I love it. It looks so good. So that is all for today, you guys. It looks cute. It's not as vibrant as I want it, but I'm really happy that I didn't have a catastrophe again with the eye primer, and that is definitely my new favorite to use. And I'm loving this lip combo. So they sell these at Sephora. It's a throwback lip set. So HBIC is the lip liner, and then the actual shade is Board Meeting. I love it. This is like my favorite thing. I'm so excited that I got this. I will definitely be looking for more. Okay, you guys, that is all for today. I'm so excited because tomorrow my Shein haul is coming in. I've been waiting for this for so long, and August Boxy is coming in tomorrow, so I'll be recording a video over my Shein and over my August Boxy. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.